Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about parboiling of rice. Rice is a staple diet for more than half of the world's population and is consumed principally in Asia. It is cooked in boiling water and eaten mostly with cooked pulses, vegetables, fish, or meat. In India, several types of dishes are prepared from rice flavored with spices and other ingredients. Other rice preparations include parched rice, puffed rice, and fermented preparations like idli and dosa. Byproducts of rice such as bran, rice polishings, and paddy straw are used for feeding livestock. Rice, Oryza sativa, probably originated in Southeast Asia and has been grown for many centuries. The production of rice in China dates back to 3000 BC. Rice is grown in the tropics where rain and sunshine are abundant. 90% of the world area under rice cultivation is in Asia. Milling of rice paddy consists of cleaning to remove small and large heavy impurities, dehulling, and removing the coarse outer layers of bran and germ. Paddy on milling yields approximately 20% hulls, 8% bran, 2% polishings, and 70% rice. Paddy is milled in India either by home pounding or in mechanized rice mills. Parboiling. The parboiling of rice originated in India and has been widely practiced in this country since ancient times. Parboiling is particularly good in case of coarse and medium rice of soft structure because such rice suffer excessive breakage when milled raw. Parboiling involves soaking paddy in water for a short time, followed by heating once or twice in steam and drying before milling. Partially cooking of rice intact with husk is called parboiling. It involves soaking, steaming, drying, and milling. Parboiled rice takes less time to cook. It is firmer and less sticky. It is also easily digested. Now coming to the commercial methods used for parboiling rice. In one method, wet paddy is held in a vessel under reduced pressure for some time. It's steeped in water at 75 to 85 degrees C for 2 to 3 hours under pressure. The steeping water is drained off and the paddy heated under reduced pressure for a short time with live steam in a steam packeted vessel. The product is then dried. Next, coming to another method of parboiling rice. In another method, that is Malek process, paddy is soaked in water at 30 degrees C for 4 to 6 hours, steamed under pressure for just 15 minutes and then dried. The product is called Molke's rice. Parboiling of paddy has several advantages. Dehusking of parboiled rice is easy and the grain becomes tougher, resulting in a reduced losses during milling. Milled parboiled rice has greater resistance to insects and fungus infection so that it can be stored for a long time. The nutritive value of rice increases after parboiling because the water dissolves the vitamins and minerals present in the hulls and bran core and carries them into the endosperm. The valuable nutrients which would otherwise be lost with the husk and bran in rice milling are retained by the endosperm. Some more advantages of parboiling are the milling and the polishing of raw rice result in losses of 75% of vitamin B1, 56% of riboflavin, and 63% of niacin. Whereas after parboiling, these losses are reduced by 58, 35, and 11% respectively. Finally, the parboiled rice will not turn into a glutinous mass when cooked and they will stand separately and firmly. Parboiling has some disadvantages. The color change and sometimes the unpleasant smell of parboiled rice are not preferred by some people. These changes are due to steeping during parboiling. During steeping, fermentative changes takes place, resulting in yellowish color and off flavor of rice. These defects are overcome in modern methods of parboiling. So this is drilling of the rice. Here you can see the paddy after harvest, and by means of dehulling, we get brown rice and hulls. These hulls are used for feeding livestock. Next, under milling process, we get milled rice. Then this milled rice, it is of two types. It is we get two byproducts. One is head rice along with both the tails, body, whereas this is broken rice and does not have the tips. Usually, this broken rice is made into flour, whereas this head rice is sold as rice in the market. Thanks for watching.